Time rolls on. Years flow endlessly. Choose one vocation, devote a lifetime. That is a craftsman's most precious commitment. 35 years of passing time have engraved Weizhong's growth rings. Since its founding in 1991, Weizhong has stayed true to its core field, revolving machinery. Regardless of industry turbulence, guided by its founding mission, advancing toward high-end industrial demands, focusing on R&D and manufacturing of revolving machinery. With 35 years of single-minded dedication, forging exceptional quality. Rotation merges into daily life. Technology benefits livelihoods. Drawing on 35 years of technological expertise, Weizhong brings industrial rotation gently into daily life. Amid the evolving cityscape, customized revolving restaurant platforms, tailored for urban landmarks and commercial complexes, rotating smoothly, reshaping spatial aesthetics, elevating the sightseeing dining experience, facilitating convenient mobility, multi-specification car turntables, serving auto shows, enabling U-turns in tight spaces, full scenario solutions for automated parking systems, low noise, high stability, easy operation and maintenance, long-serving commercial real estate and end users, integrating into the city's pulse with reliable quality, upgrading daily public experience, benefiting thousands of households, deeply rooted in heavy industry, solidifying the foundation of the real economy. 35 years of accumulation building momentum, forging formidable load-bearing capacity, dedicated truck turntables, covering all scenarios at ports, docks, and freight stations, simplifying truck U-turns, saving space, boosting efficiency, unblocking key nodes in heavy load logistics. Full series of industrial turntables, handling hundreds of tons, facilitating railcar direction changes, enabling workstation repositioning, serving metallurgy and steelmaking, chemical production, all sectors of intelligent production lines, through non-standard customization, adapting to diverse production scenarios, solving industry challenges of high tonnage, high-frequency operation, supporting the rise of a major power's heavy industry with robust capacity, advancing into high-precision fields, breaking technical boundaries. With 35 years of technological accumulation, Weizhong specializes in high-end precision, high-precision angle control turntables, covering automotive R&D and military testing, achieving 001 angle control precision, EMC test turntables, designed for anechoic chambers, serving testing needs across automotive electronics and smart equipment, large rotating platforms, exceeding 30 meters in diameter, 100-ton capacity rotating platforms, tailored for virtual production studios, rotating grandstands, change scenes, not seats, reconstructing the viewing experience, end-to-end non-standard customization, matching exclusive rotation solutions to needs. 8 product series, hundreds of models and specifications, nearly 10,000 units delivered cumulatively, going global since 1999. Exported to 66 countries worldwide, bringing Chinese rotation manufacturing to the world. Steady progress for long-term success, rooted in the founding mission. 35 years of deep cultivation. Weizhong upholds, seek truth, be pragmatic. Keep promises, deliver results. Establishing quality through rigor, crafting workmanship with ingenuity, consolidating foundations through standardization. Where the torch is passed on, footprints of hard work engraved. Generations persist, defining the enterprise's core identity.
求实务实，言必信，行必果，是我入职至今一直坚守的从业本心。
精工守制，做好每一台设备，
潜心钻研，以技术助力产品升级。
唯于匠心，忠于重托。作为维中的领路人，我们始终致力于传承工匠精神，不负每一位客户的信任，也守护好每个员工家庭的重托，承35载底蕴，奔赴崭新征程。
Rotation never ceases. Time never ends. 35 years. Weizhong built on technology. Trusted for quality. Rooted in Shenyang. Craftsmanship passed down. Specializing in rotation. Defining standards with precision. Expanding globally with strength. A new journey begins. Weizhong carries forward its glory. Opening new chapters through action. Shaping the future with integrity and resolve. Rotating in step with the times. Writing a new chapter in industrial precision engineering.